DJI is back at it again, and this time the rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro are getting even more exciting. From game-changing LiDAR obstacle sensing to an extended 50-minute flight time, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine ultralight drones. Let's break down everything we know so far about DJI's upcoming drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drones of 2025 and beyond. Following the success of the Mini 4 Pro, DJI seems to be pushing the boundaries even further, integrating advanced technology while keeping the weight under 250 grams. But what exactly is new? Let's dive in. So what we can expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? According to leaks and industry insiders, here are some of the key rumored upgrades. LiDAR obstacle sensing. For the first time in an ultralight drone, we might see LiDAR technology enhancing obstacle detection. This means smoother and safer flights, even in complex environments. Extended 50-minute flight time. One of the biggest upgrades could be an improved battery, pushing the flight time up to 50 minutes. That's a massive improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes flight time. But will DJI really manage to keep it under 250 grams with this upgrade? That's a big question. Carbon fiber build. To balance weight and durability, DJI could be experimenting with carbon fiber materials. This would make the drone lighter, stronger, and more wind resistant. 4K video and AI-enhanced tracking. Expect improved camera performance with AI-assisted subject tracking and better low-light capabilities. DJI might also introduce upgraded HDR capabilities for more cinematic shots. Now, when can we actually expect the Mini 5 Pro to launch? Well, according to leaks, DJI is aiming for an October 2025 release. As for pricing, it's likely to sit between $799 to $999, depending on the features packed into the final version. The DJI community has been buzzing with speculation. Some drones enthusiasts are hoping for improved return-to-home functions, better wind resistance, and even a waterproof design. What's on your wish list for the Mini 5 Pro? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. With all these potential upgrades, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer for drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, the leaks suggest a massive leap in drone technology. Will it be the best ultralight drone yet? Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the latest DJI news and leaks. Until next time, happy flying!